In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms within Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or enhance collaboration, Clickup provides a powerful platform to create customized forms. Let's dive into the steps for crafting a form in Clickup. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. It's your all-in-one hub for work, making it the perfect choice for managing tasks and projects efficiently. Once there, locate the login button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you prefer a quick login process, choose the sign in with Google option. This method streamlines access so you can begin creating your form without delay. Now it's time to select your Google account. Doing this will direct you into your Clickup workspace seamlessly. Once you find yourself on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the View button. This will take you to the area where you manage various views like lists, boards, and calendars. In this section, you'll see a form icon or sometimes a new button. Go ahead and click on Form New. Here is where the magic begins as we delve into creating your first form. When you click to create a new form, you'll be prompted to select the type of form you want to create. ClickUp offers a range of templates to choose from, making this step quite user-friendly. For this example, click on a simple option like Apply Feedback Form. This will load a form template that you can tailor to your needs. Now the customization begins. You can click to edit any section of the form according to your requirements. Need more input fields? Simply click on Add Question to incorporate additional fields to capture the specific data you need. This customization is what makes ClickUp Forms incredibly versatile. Moving on to the settings, click the Settings tab to explore a whole new set of options. Here you can configure aspects like the redirect URL, which determines where users are directed after they submit the form. You might also want to change the button label to suit your form's purpose. Simple text changes here can better convey the action to your users. Finally, inject a splash of personality into your form by changing the colors. Tweaking the visual elements helps in aligning the form with your brand or simply making it more visually appealing for users. And there you have it, you've successfully created a form in ClickUp. This newly crafted tool is ready to assist you in gathering data, soliciting feedback, or even onboarding new teammates. Thanks for tuning in and happy form building.